Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli ki di mabana ki advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya tadi. Papinjit kerpang ni kini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinjok buat ki jingpang na. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Oh, tama. Bilay si Bon.
National Center for Vector-Borne Disease Control but National Health Mission mentakasi kilapan long ekjirke National Dengue Day arajar arpuar but kapang peneng jong kene ekjirke kalong dengue is preventable. Let's join hand ya kabala penlong hasit convention center. Katkum kejitu jeng doktor kene ke dengue ke de kenja virus ke bayabet but ke cingsha kentha hakik skan but ya kene ke dengue hakipor bamunswa omjupana ni yos ngau ya ke virus dengue hapoh ke jala Meghalaya bawat hapoh ke jala kathan chatei lamingi. Nakaliang jong Dr. Bibha Marak kabadai ke State Program Officer ke National Center for Vector-Borne Disease Control kalong ban penduna nak jingsa priang ke dengue dai bandan ke jete lang jong baro kitra trekam jong sarkar bakentup nadu ke PHC Municipal Pollution Control Board Fisheries BLUD bat kumjuru ki board pnia snong dak bale ko ile suba bat omban ailat bakinyo khapeleng khnang bakin lai nak jing kharoi ka Dr. Juliana Lingwa kabadai ke Regional Director Regional Office of Health and Family Welfare ke Sarkar India kanik jirki ke dengue latip kum ke 7 National Dengue Day bat kalong ke bedon kam banis nok tilang khnang ban on la ban pendu jat ya ke dengue habakren kum kongsan haganik jelang Dr. Amanwar ubadai UDHS MI laitu bahapo ke jela haus nam arja khatar ka kes jong ke jingpang dengue ke dan absolutely kes hapo ke jela bat ha ke jingtulun kisnam ka kiu khendiat bat daitat haus nam arja arpo namar ke jingdon ke klam COVID-19 bat namar ke jingjur ke jingstret dawai ha kindong kinstrat bat haki yeng kisam ke kes jong dengue kalong tang sauteli henrei haus nam arja arpo klaki haduh sispa tili ki kes jong dengue hapo ke jela Meghalaya.
It was very interesting to note that in 2012 we had 26 cases of dengue in the state as reported, and then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 respectively goes like this: 43, 9, 13, 172 in 2016, then 52, 44, 82, and very interestingly 4 in 2020. And then now in 2021 we had 129 cases. So dengue is here to stay and it will continue. But interestingly is this 2020. It was the start of COVID, and at that point of time we were going all out with this sanitization. And perhaps because of the lockdown, because they were scared, they had to stay indoors, and because of the sanitization that was taking place all over, is it possible that the vector, this mosquito, also was destroyed in the process? Then we have to do a study on this. But that massive sanitization had a bearing on this incidence of cases in the state. That in this campaign we have got 4 S. Number 1 is search and destroy the mosquito places. Number 2, secure self-protection from mosquito bites. Number 3, seek early consultation whenever there are signs and symptoms of dengue. And last, say yes to fogging as a last resort if we anticipate that there is going to be an outbreak. And for this we have to come together, converge together, all the departments as already highlighted by Dr. Juliana. Most importantly, Urban Affairs Department, PHE, Meghalaya Pollution Control Board, Health Department, and other line departments.